Hello. Today, we will explain how to create an account on the Mettis Driving School dashboard and how to buy credits. To start, we click on Create a New Account. We enter our email address, a secure password, we confirm it, we check the boxes to accept the policies and terms and conditions, and we click on Create Account. Next, we fill in our driving school's information: the name, the tax ID, the legal name, and our full name. Then we add the contact email, the phone number, the website, and the address. Notice that the email and address are automatically applied as billing data thanks to the pre-checked box. Finally, we indicate the number of instructors, the number of vehicles, and the expected number of students per month. We click on Complete Registration, and that's it. We are now registered on the dashboard. Once inside, we go to the side menu and click on Payments and Credits. Here, a personalized recommendation is offered based on our data. Further down, we can buy the credits we want. You can simply use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the exact amount of credits you want to purchase. We select the desired amount, we accept the terms and conditions, and we click on Buy Credits. On the payment page, we enter the email address for billing. We choose our preferred payment method, we click on Pay, and we proceed with the security process.